I know, it sounds unbelievable to get so much food out of such a small space. I'm excited to show you how this is all possible with vertical gardening and why this tower is my go-to system. Just wait until you see what I put inside here. I promise you will never look at gardening the same way again. Later on in the video, I've got a really cool tool to show you, and you're not going to want to miss it. Hi, I'm John. Before I show you the tower, I just wanted to show you a quick visual of how little you can grow in a traditional 8 square foot garden bed. Now keep in mind, that's only 2 foot by 4 foot. That's not very big, and you can only get 8 plants. Now let's assume you get 3 strawberries from each plant. That's 8 plants times 3 strawberries for 24 strawberries. Now you're going to lose some of these strawberries to ground rot and also to soil-borne insects. But I'm a nice guy, we'll say you get all 24. Now let's say you grow 100 strawberries in the same 8 square feet. 100 strawberries times 3 strawberries each equals 300 strawberries. Wow, that's a lot of jam. So this is a no-brainer, right? For the same amount of space, which would you rather have? A or B? Now that you have a good mental picture, let's take a look at why this is the tower that you want and what makes it so special. I dropped my affiliate link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. And it's this right here. This is a vermicomposter, and I absolutely love this thing. What this does is it creates a natural ecosystem to supply nutrients to all of your plants. It's very easy to set up and comes with complete instructions. Basically how it works is, inside the composter is what we call browns and greens. Browns are things like dried leaves, straw, small sticks. This is carbon. And the greens are your plant-based kitchen scraps, which are rich in nitrogen, like carrot peels and potato peels. And you know, also like at the end of the week when you're throwing everything out of the refrigerator crisper bin, that old cucumber that nobody wanted to eat, yeah, that can go in here too. After all the greens and browns are at it, now we add the worms. And they do all the work, breaking everything down into rich nutrients to supply your whole tower. At the bottom of the tower is a tray, which catches finished compost, and a drawer, which catches nutrient-enriched water, which is called leachate, or what we call worm tea. This worm tea is then poured back over the top to rehydrate and fertilize all of your plant's roots. It's a complete cycle. This is great for areas that may have water restrictions because there's no water loss due to runoff. It's all recaptured. Another feature which was really important to me was that the tower is made of HDPE material, which is BPA free and PVC free. And it also has an FDA approved dye and UV inhibitor. This is great news for the gardener. I also like how sturdy this unit is and how I can spin it whenever I want to. It's great for strawberries because if I have white strawberries on one side, I can just spin it, and now those strawberries have enough sunlight to ripen. If you remember at the beginning of this video, I told you I have a cool tool which I use with the tower, and here it is. It's an aquameter. It tells me if I need water or if it's dry. If it's blue, it's moist. And if this right here is white, then it's dry. Nice and easy, isn't it? Well, now you know why I recommend this tower for vertical gardening. Check out my link in the description for more information or to purchase one for yourself. And if you're starting seeds indoors for your tower or for your garden, Check out this next video where I'll show you how to make the very best seed starting mix.